Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 39th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now let us type the program. In this program we will learn about displaying table with the use of COLSPAN attribute. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, now title, now we'll end the title tag, now we'll end the head tag, now body, center, now we'll give table border. Here we'll give 3. Now tr tag, now th COLSPAN is equal to 2. Here we'll give channel name. Now we'll end tr tag. Now tr. Now dd tag. Here we write the heading which is courses, and we'll end td tag. Here we'll make the necessary changes, and here we'll write benefit. Now we'll end tr tag, and once again we'll start tr tag. Here we write the course name, language name means HTML. Here also we'll write language, HTML, and now we'll write the benefit of HTML here. It helps us in web programming to make website. Now we'll end tr tag, and once again we'll start tr tag. Here we'll write C language, which we'll learn after this language gets over. Here we'll write the benefit. It helps us in only programming. Now we'll end tr tag, and Here we will write Python. This language also will start after C language get over. The benefit of Python language is clear coding. You will learn how to code. Now we'll end tr tag. Now we'll end center tag and body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. Now let us check the output.